Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at the Teba factory in Kayseri, Turkey. And while I was perusing their showroom, I noticed that they have some really cool accessories that I thought you guys might be interested in. I've been getting more demand for log storage, and they have a couple different varieties of log storage here. You can see these ones mounted on the walls. These ones are going to be manufactured by Teba. They're basically just simple little square, circular that you can mount to the wall to be able to hold your log storage. These ones are going to be produced out of steel. Now they have a very nice decorative log storage option here as well that's featured in their catalog and on their website, and I've had a little bit of demand for it. So I'm curious, is this something that you guys would be interested in? This is full cast iron, so weight on this guy, it's kind of heavy. This is probably about 75 to 100 pounds, but it's very decorative and beautiful. So drop me some notes in the comments. Is this something I should import along with the Teba stoves? Is it something you guys are interested in? Don't forget, if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up. Click subscribe in that corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.